I can't believe what I'm reading.
Let me be clear. I think, Pam, from what you said, you'd agree with me. Given the Uranium One deal, given the concerns that Greg Jarrett raised, that you've raised, Sean, why wouldn't we have, just in the interest of fairness, a special prosecutor to look at what Hillary did as they're looking at the president?
Where is the Attorney General, Pam? I always like Jeff Sessions. I am sitting here, I am mind-numbingly, I just cannot understand his inaction on all of these issues. Doug is right. We need a special prosecutor. Uranium One giving up 20% of our uranium, all the money kicked back to her. The dossier, that's Russian-funded lies and propaganda, stealing a Democratic primary, funneling money through a law firm. There's subpoenaed emails, deleted emails, acid wash emails, bleach pit emails, broken Blackberries. How much corruption do we need here for any one individual before something happens? I'm sorry.
There has to be something happening. There has to be. And, you know, General Sessions has taken himself completely out of the Russian investigation. So there's a special prosecutor, and Mueller's got to go after Hillary Clinton.
How is it possible in 2009 that Mueller, the FBI, Eric Holder, had to know they had an FBI informant, that bribery, kickbacks, extortion, money laundering, and racketeering. Putin's spies in America, they knew about it. 2009.
Yeah.
All of this is happening. Putin wants to corner the uranium market. We don't have enough uranium on our own.
Right.
Wants to corner the uranium market, and they know about the crimes, and they did nothing. And they allowed this deal to go through.
There was a reset with Putin. Remember that famous tape where President Obama said to Russian Medvedev, I'll be able to be more flexible.
Tell Vladimir. Tell Vladimir.
Yeah, I mean,
but that was in 2012. Yeah, but why would anyone give 20% of our uranium when we don't have enough uranium resources?
Sean, you wouldn't do any of this if we were being rational and logical. And my point, simply, if we're going to investigate the president, which I think is the right thing to do.
No evidence of collusion yet.
But
None.
Let's finish the investigation, and let's investigate Hillary.
But we do have evidence here. We have evidence on a stolen election. We have evidence on obstruction of justice, ignoring subpoenas, what she paid for, money laundering, I would argue, in the case of the Russian dossier, and now Uranium One, which we gave up our national security, and she gets all that money back.
You'd be a great prosecutor, and I wish you were the special prosecutor.
I wish I was the Attorney General.
If she didn't know about